Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. Today guys we will take a look at the euro currency again. As you know, probably you have read the recent comments from the Fed, and the quantitative easing program has been closed. And recent comments on Fed, although they still stick with the phrase of considerable period of time till the next rate hiking, they have made the better assessment of the labor market. And in general, the total comments were a bit more hawkish than the market expects to get. That has led to the appreciation of the US dollar across the board. So you could see what has happened with the gold market, what you could see with the dollar-related currency pairs, the Great British Pound, Australian dollar, euro currency, and others. And that makes us think that as upside retracement has failed and almost has been ended, we could start the preparation for downward continuation, especially if dollar will get the support from the non-farm payrolls on the next week and some other fundamental data from the United States. We should be ready to reaching of our medium-term target, as we have said in our weekly research on euro currency. That stands at 121 approximately. On the daily chart you could see how it could happen, but the reason with this downward action is not only in the assessment of the Fed, but as you know, currently United States economy and European economy comes on the opposite courses. Not contradictorily opposite, but still the situation in the United States economy is improving, while in the European economy, although data is showing splashes of the positive numbers, but major data absolutely doesn't encourage and doesn't fascinating. And it means that this downward action on the euro will continue. Another reason why this could happen is another spiral of the confrontation between the Russia and the West. And if you have read the rhetoric of the Putin, who spoke on Waldai Forum and has given the assessment of the relations right now between the Russia and the West on the major objects, on the major problems in the world. This just the results of the Milan meeting, and that points that Russia will stand on its own course, and this course is not stand in a row with the expectations of the West. That's why the pressing with the sanctions or other leverage that could use the United States and Europe will continue. Mostly this will be probably economical, but maybe some other sanctions also could be applied. But these sanctions mostly is more negative to the Europe rather than the United States, just because the trading turnover with the United States is just about $70 billion, while with the euro, with the Europe, Russia has the turnover approximately the 400 billion euros. So that will increase the negative impact, negative result on the European economy, and that's why the situation on the euro currency and in general for the European Union in the nearest perspective hardly will become better. That's why taking in consideration all these moments, all these facts as in the political sphere and the economical sphere, we probably can't foresee any reversal on the euro currency in relation to US dollar anytime soon. With the Great British Pound, it's a bit different picture. Although we know that the euro currency and the Great British Pound mostly drive in the same direction, but with the different speeds. But currently, as the United Kingdom has denied to make the inflow of the 2 billion euros in the budget of the European Union, and in general, markets was strongly distorted and has fell significant outflow on the money of the investors' interest. You can see how significantly drop the interest on the trading on the futures to Great British Pound. That has distorted the overall, you could say, the trading process of the Great British Pound. And as soon as investors will start to return back, that could lead to some inflow of the money in the Great British Pound, and that could lead to some one-time rally on the Great British Pound or something of that sort. That in general could make our analysis and our pattern, recall that we mostly discussed the bread and butter buy on the monthly chart, could make this pattern possible, despite that we expect downward action here and still speak about the possible upside action on the British Pound. The recent Fed comments put under significant risk existence of the bread and butter on the monthly chart and has increased significantly the probability of the failure of this pattern. But still, as I said, as market really has been distorted by the voting in Scotland, the restoration of normal behavior of the market, restoration of the trading volumes, could lead to some deviation between the euro currency and Great British Pound and the changing of the euro GBP course, euro GBP rate, and that probably still get us some hope that the bread and butter still has chances on the appearing on the Great British Pound. But speaking on the euro currency, guys, currently it's very difficult to count on reversal and rebound of the euro currency. I think that gradually the market will continue drift lower somewhere to an area of 121. And currently market is showing how it could happen. As you can see, although our stop grabber here has started not bad, and after appearing it has shown the 3 drive in a row upside action, almost has hit our almost has reached the first resistance area that we have discussed, this monthly pivot point and weekly pivot resistance one. But on the Fed comments, it has failed and market has turned trend bearish and has erased the stop grabber. Okay? A grabber failed. With this pattern has failed the opportunity for any ABCD action to the upside. It means that market will continue to move lower. And the pattern that could be formed and how market could reach the target on the monthly chart is the butterfly buy, because 1618 butterfly stands at 2250, while our monthly trends, the monthly target stands approximately 121. So for the monthly chart, is the 100 pips is not a really big distance. On the road to the downside, we will meet, as you can see, support area, that's weekly monthly pivot support 1 and 127 extension of the butterfly. That's what about the medium-term perspective. In the short-term perspective today, guys, we will be watching for this pattern. As you can see, price has dropped significantly and passed for the agreement area. That's once 618 extension at the 618 support. Market has just broken it without any respect. The next logical target is 100% extension to 125.40, where we'll get the completion of this fast ABCD pattern. Here market could find some support and turn to some retracement. Maybe this will happen already on Friday, and maybe market will turn to some profit taken before the weekend. Here is the next destination point in the short-term perspective. Also, guys, on the very short-term on scalp trading on the hourly chart, you could watch for this thrust down, because it could become the foundation for any jet napoli directional. That could be the bread and butter or double repo on Friday or something of that sort, especially if double repo will appear somewhere at 125.40 area. As the respect in this support, market could show some retracement and market could form some sort of the reversal pattern. So that's what you could watch for in a very short-term perspective on today and tomorrow trading sessions. That's all that we could say currently on the euro currency. We have the hint on the clear pattern, right? and we probably will continue to monitor this pattern. In a very short-term perspective, as I said, we will be watching for this completion of the ABCD pattern and possible directionals if we will get any day tomorrow with this thrust. Maybe double whip or maybe butterfly. Bread butter also is possible. Anything, always when you consider thrust, it's very promising, and tells you that sooner or later you will get some pattern that could be traded as the scalp pattern. That's, guys, all that I would like to say on the euro currency right now. Let's see what will happen.